So now let's see how we can work around with canvas size inside of Pixlr E. So in order to work around with the canvas size, you can go around onto the image option over here on the top, and then here you can see canvas size is an option. Once you click on canvas size, then this is what you have. You can see that you can work around with the canvas size, which does not affect out the content that you have on the canvas. So let's say, for example, if I were to increase my canvas size into, let's say, for example, 1500. So I'm going to say 1500 by 1000, just like this, and press apply. You can see that the canvas size increases, but the layer itself, that is the image, the content, it stays the same. So you want more work area without affecting the layers, then you can work around with the canvas size. You can also go around with the relative change right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto 2000 by 2000 right here, press apply. Then you can see that this is what you have, just like this. You can also go around over here onto canvas size. You can change the anchor point as well. So if you want to go around right here onto anchor point, let me just go around and then first of all, change the size back to 1500 by, let's say, for example, 1000 and press apply. This is what you have. So if I were to go around into canvas size and choose this anchor point, let's say, for example, and now what I can do is I'm going to go for 2000 by 2000, just like this, and press apply. And this is what you have. According to the anchor point area that you chose, you can see that the image just laid out there. So I'm just going to go back right here. Let me just go back over here onto canvas size again. So if I were to choose this bottom right hand corner as the anchor point, then I can go around onto 2000 by 2000, just like this. Then I'm going to press apply. Then this is what you have. And that is how you can work around with canvas size inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.